got something to show you. Welcome to Southern California WeatherForce.com weather forecast office. These are the two monitors that crunch model data for you. These are just going to crunch all the storm numbers for the system coming in. You can see that this one doesn't have much. This one has a lot of rain in the area and a lot of thunderstorm activity with convection. This monitor right here shows the current weather alerts here at Southern California WeatherForce.com. Right now we have a heat advisory in effect, and it's still going to be hot out there today, but it will cool down. So this is the main jumbotron, if you will. But these are the radars. So you get a radar, you get a radar, you get a radar, you get a radar, and you get a radar. Everybody gets a radar. But the main event is going to be this screen right here, the satellite and radar combination screen. This is Pacific Storm Andreas. It had moved through our area last week, and remember what I said? It would do a retrograde all the way back through Arizona, Mexico, and then jet out just to the south of our forecast area. So yes, your forecast starts now. Alright, welcome to Southern California WeatherForce.com. We're looking at Pacific Storm Andreas again. Yes, everyone's saying, wow, again, Pacific Storm Andreas. Yes, remember last week what I told you. When Pacific Storm Andreas came through the forecast area, he was going to round through Arizona, then northwest Mexico, jet out from Baja, Mexico, back into the Pacific Ocean, and then retrograde back up into our region of Southern California. And it looks like he is doing so. He is currently just to the south-southwest of the forecast area. It's swinging in a little bit of a spiral armband through. That's what you're seeing, all these clouds, and even in some cases some light raindrops reaching the ground around San Diego, Orange County area. You're seeing that out there because that's a PVA area. It's just a positive vorticity advection kind of band moving through the area. Now the main dynamics with this one is going to be on Wednesday and Thursday as the storm system hits the Martin Storm Diamond. Remember, last week I told you this has a good chance of hitting the Martin Storm Diamond, and what that is a diamond southwest of the forecast area that when a storm system brings its center directly through that diamond, we get a chance of widespread shower and thunderstorm activity, especially the thunderstorm activity, because strong upper level divergence between the isobars means that there's going to be some lift out in the area and a lot of mid-level and upper-level moisture. So on Wednesday and Thursday, this is what I'm going to be centering on for Pacific Storm Andreas to bring a number of thunderstorms through the forecast area. Now, who's going to see them? It all depends on where that center of low goes. If it goes a little to the northwest on the diamond, then we'll get thunderstorm activity widespread into the Santa Barbara, Ventura, Kern County areas. Now, if it goes even further north, then it's out of the area and we're in San Luis Obispo territory. But if it goes down the center where I think it's going to be, we're probably going to be centering somewhere around the Los Angeles County area in the middle of everything. So that's what we're looking at right now with San Diego, mainly on the weaker end of this one because there may be a little bit of a dry slot. But other than that, there'll be some activity moving through your area. So that's what we're looking at on Wednesday and Thursday for Pacific Storm Andreas. A number of thunderstorms will hit the Southern California area with this. Category was a Category 2 last time, but is yet to be determined because if enough upper level divergence hits the area, we could get some severe thunderstorms in the region. So stay tuned to Southern California WeatherForce.com.